Hello. Okay, I got the two birds. They're chirping and want to kill everything. Here's Gimpy, the long-tailed African parrot. Hello, hi. Hi. I don't know why, but this bird likes my sleep. Yeah. Yeah. What are you doing? Hi, Gimpy. Do you click noises? Peekaboo. Hey, Gimpy, do you want to give the camera a kiss? You can't break this camera. Yeah, you're so nice. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Me. Peekaboo. No. Peekaboo. Gimpy, can you play peekaboo? Peekaboo. 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 Ah, she doesn't want to play peekaboo. Does she want to play peekaboo? I see you. Peekaboo. Are you going to play peekaboo on the ground? Peekaboo. And she just wants to go back to her cage. She doesn't bite that hard. And there's Trippy. There's one thing Trippy really hates a lot. I don't know why, but she just hates it when you rub your hands. And she can fly now. You wanna go back? You wanna go back? Chirp, 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 chirp. Peekaboo. Hey, Gimpy, do you want a peanut? Want a peanut? There you go, she did a little limp. She did a little Gimpy. Rawr. Carrot! Carrot! Here, let's put you back, Trippy. He likes to eat, like, fabric and that. Look at that. And poops in the same spot. This bird's just messy everywhere. But yeah, those are the two annoying birds. Well, Angry Bird and Let Me Come Bird. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, you dropped your peanut. Let's see if we can find her peanut. I don't see your peanut. She got lots of peanut shells. Well, yeah. She's trying to get something on your camera. Say goodbye, Gimpy. Say goodbye. Can you do peekaboo? Peekaboo. Bye. Well, yeah, I'll make more videos coming soon, hopefully. See you guys later.